All right, guys, I am back again with another delicious and easy meal to prepare for dinner. Today I'm having beef stew and cheddar biscuits, and they are just delicious. So I start with preparing the biscuits. I don't really enjoy baking, so as if I can get through baking as quickly as possible, I try to. So I pre-prepare my biscuits using the instructions on the back of the box here, and I have set aside my biscuits on my baking tray, and they're ready to be popped into the oven to be baked. And of course, it's going to take a while for them to cool down, so I like to get them done first. Then I turn my attention to my stew. I pre-dice all of my vegetables ahead of time. I'm just making a very simple beef stew. I just bought this cut of stew meat this morning at the grocery store. And so since I'm cooking for just myself for dinner tonight, I figured I'd do something a bit simple with the crock pot. So dice up all your vegetables, dice up your meat into bite-sized pieces. Season it, of course. Put a little oil in your crock pot along with some seasoning for flavor and taste. And let that cook for 3 to 4 hours. And that's about it. So the simple, delicious meal doesn't take very long. And again, you're getting all your balance of a diet. You're getting your carbs, your protein, your veg, everything here. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video.